have here? A Pop It Bracelet. So yeah, wait, let me bring my pop in. And also I gave Dive one of these, and his one is more fancier than mine. I let him choose one, and he wanted the fancier one. So probably when I get another one, I'll probably get a fancy one too. So yeah, let me go get Dive. So be right back. Be right back. Oh yeah! Kind of saw my hand already, but I just wanted to make a scene like this. So this is Dive's one. You can see how very fancy it is. I'm gonna get one too. Yeah, you can see how fancy it is. But Dive is not gonna be in the video because he doesn't feel like it. So yeah, and this is my Pop It. It's a rainbow. I made a video of that like at August 9th. So yeah, whoosh. This is my Pop It. We have one Pop It, but now I think I have two. Does this count? Does this bracelet count? And I think it will count. So yeah. I'm gonna go give this back to Dive. So yeah, I'll be right back. Oh! Oh my god! Oh, I didn't really jump though, but I'm back. So yeah. Oh, and you didn't see my hand because I did like this. Yeah, that's a way of seeing my hand, not seeing my hand. So yeah. Oh, this video has already been 1 minute. All right, but it's yeah, it's already been 1 minute. Wow. Okay. So this video has been 2 minutes. So this video has been 2 minutes. So yeah. So yeah, let's just open this. I've never actually opened this and used it. I bought it like at September at Cookies from Cookies. Alright, so let's see how we can open this. Is my grandma and grandpa scissors? I'm in my grandma and grandpa's room. Yeah. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna go get some scissors. I'm back. So yeah, I cut it here. I cut it here. I cut it here and down here. So yeah. See if this will work. Oh, got it. Alright, got one part out. Alright. Oh my goodness. Yo, let me throw this in the trash. And oh my god, this says age 5+. It says it upside down because of the camera, but it says age 5+. I'm 8. I'm still wearing this. Ha! I'm still gonna wear this, even though it's age 5. I actually saw one of my classmates, Bella, wear it, and when she was 8. So yeah, I'm gonna wear it. So I'm still gonna wear this. Yeah. So wow, looks pretty nice. I'm gonna try to wear it later. So yeah, it's blue. Can pop. Oh my god, that's cool. I'm gonna pop all of them. Let's see if I can pop this in 10 seconds. 10. All right. 1. Wait, let's call it backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh! I popped all of this in 10 seconds. Oh my gosh. I popped this in 10 seconds. Oh my god. I don't know if I didn't, and guys, I don't think I cheated. I don't think so. I popped this in 10 seconds. Yeah. This is my original Pop It, rainbow one. I actually like the rainbow Pop It more than this, not gonna lie. But it should be cool. I like both of them. Yeah. Or let's see if I can pop this in 20 seconds. Right. Alright, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. Oh my God. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going as fast as I can. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh! I popped it in. Oh! I popped it in 3. I popped it in like 3. I popped it in like. Oh my gosh! I just popped this in 20. I just popped that in like less than 20 seconds. Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Let's go! Let's go! So yeah, guys, let's try and wear this. I don't really know how to wear bracelets, but let's give it a try. Okay, so I'm putting it there. Oh my gosh. Alright, so well, I'm gonna try to do it my way. Alright. I would put it like this. I'm gonna wear this to school. Oh my God. Alright there. Alright, so alright, so what is this thing for? I don't know what that thing is, this great thing is for, but let's give this a try. Do I have to take this off? What do I do with this? Oh my. Oh my God. What am I doing? Oh my God, I don't even know how to wear this. Let's try another way. Oh my God. It's like, I'm gonna make it as tight as I can. Oh my God, I don't even know. Oh my God, I just. Alright, so there. Oh wait, I'm wearing this my way, okay? Oh! I wore it this way. I wore my. Wait, no, 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 no. Bad way, bad way, bad way. I don't want to destroy it, no. Bad way, bad way. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my God. Alright. I don't know if I wore it the correct way, guys, but yeah. But yeah, this is my Pop It bracelet. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Alright, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. How do I even wear this? So yeah, guys, I don't know if I wore it the right way, but yeah, guys. So thanks yeah, guys. So I'm gonna check on YouTube real quick. So I'll be right back. Guys, like bad news. I have some bad news. I couldn't find any helpful videos like how to wear these pop in, and I think I saw like put this things and do these small holes. Like I don't know how did they do them. Like how this one is bigger, big. How are they supposed to? How are they supposed to go through the? How is this thing right here supposed to go through these small holes? Like how? But how? So yeah, guys, it looks like I'm gonna have to wear it my way. So wear it like that, and let's see if we can actually go into these small holes. I'm gonna try. Oh my god, I actually put it through. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Actually did it. Oh my gosh. I actually did it. Wait, I'm gonna put this a little bit more tighter. A little bit more tighter. Alright, a little bit more far away. Pink, pink, pink. Girls, girls, girls. Blue, blue, blue. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm actually not good at placing it in the hole. It's actually pretty slippery and pretty difficult, so yeah. Alright, let's put it real tight, real tight, real tight. Oh my, oh my god, no, that's way too long. Not too long, not too short. Just perfect. Alright, there. Alright, pink, pink, pink. Girls, girls, girls. Forever. Best friends. Alright, so it's kind of like wiggly. It's not really that tight though. So yeah, it's not really that tight though. Pink, pink. I'm trying to make it a little bit tighter. Oh my god. Making it super tight. I'm making it super duper tight. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I can't put it in the small hole when I'm wearing it. Alright, so I have to do it my way. I have to do it my way. Okay. Come on, go. Go in. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, it's not that tight, but this is the best I can wear it. I'm just gonna, I have to like wear it like this. Like this. I guess I have. Wait, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try to. Alright, so this is the best I can wear it. So yeah, guys, so this was my Pop It Bracelet. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye. Peace.